Task number 5, FTP transferring files, file transfer protocol basically. Unlike HTTP, which is designed to retrieve web pages, file transfer protocol or FTP is designed to transfer files. As a result, FTP is very efficient for file transfer, and when all conditions are equal, it can achieve higher speeds than HTTP. Example commands defined by the FTP protocol are user, pass, retrieve, and store. User is used to input the username, pass is used to enter the password, retrieve is used to download the file from the FTP server to the client, and store is used to upload the file from the client to the FTP server. FTP server listens on TCP port 21 by default. Data transfer is conducted via another connection from the client to the server. In the terminal below, we executed the command FTP on the following IP to connect to the remote FTP server using the local FTP client. Then we went through the following steps. We used the username anonymous to log in. We didn't need to provide any password. Issuing list, return the list of files available for download. Type ASCII, switch to ASCII mode as this is a text file. Get coffee.txt allowed us to retrieve the file we want. The command exchange via the FTP client is shown in the terminal below. So we see the command over here, and then we have the connection to that one. We enter the name anonymous and then pre-specify a password. Password is empty. Login successful. Remote type Unix, write unary. We list in order to see what we want. Then we switch to ASCII by typing ASCII, and then we say just get coffee in order to see what is inside that, right? We have the file now locally in order to check it out. We use Wireshark to examine the exchanged messages more closely. The client's messages are in red, while the server responses are in blue. Notice how various commands differ between the client and the server. For example, when you type list on the client sends list on the server. One last thing to note is that the directory listing and the file we downloaded are sent over a separate connection each. Right, so blue responses, server responses, and red are user, basically client messages. Right, and here you can see the messages that we just read, FTP messages. And then server responses. Answering the questions below. Using FTP client, FTP on attack box, access the FTP server at this IP and retrieve the flag.txt. What is the flag found? So let's see, show split view. We go to the terminal and say FTP to 10.10.139.253. Anonymous, enter. List. We care about flag. The file that is downloaded here is coffee.txt. We'll download that as well because we are just curious. And we just say type here ASCII get we can use lowercase coffee.txt and get flag.txt. We say quit list get coffee. Basically you can see the how to make coffee, an Arabic coffee, aromatic coffee also, cardamom pods, pretty cool. And then we get the flag in order to retrieve fast FTP. Awesome.